Mastering Modifiers, Correcting Common Errors. Hello learners! Today we're going to dig deep into the world of modifiers in English grammar. Modifiers are words, phrases, or clauses that provide detail about another part of the sentence. They can be incredibly useful in adding flavor and detail to our sentences, but they can also cause confusion if not used correctly. Today, we're going to review the most common modifier errors and show you how to correct them. Remember, mastering modifiers can take your English writing from good to great. Misplaced modifiers are just what they sound like: modifiers that are in the wrong place. They can cause confusion or unintentional humor. For example, consider the sentence, "I found a gold man's watch." This sentence implies that the man is gold, not the watch. To correct this, we move the modifier closer to the word it's intended to modify. I found a man's gold watch. Dangling modifiers are a bit trickier. They occur when the word or phrase they're supposed to modify isn't actually in the sentence. For instance, having finished the assignment, the Xbox was my next target. Here, it sounds like the Xbox finished the assignment. We correct this by including the subject that the modifier refers to. Having finished the assignment, I decided the Xbox was my next target. A squinting modifier is a word, usually an adverb, that could feasibly modify either the phrase before it or the phrase after it, leading to ambiguity. For example, students who study rarely get bad grades. Here, it's unclear whether the students rarely study or rarely get bad grades. We can correct this by repositioning the modifier. Students who rarely study get bad grades, or students who study get bad grades rarely. Limiting modifiers are words like only, even, almost, nearly, and just. They limit the word they're modifying. Misplacing these can change the sentence's meaning. For instance, I only eat vegetables for dinner. This sentence suggests that all you do is eat vegetables for dinner, not that vegetables are the only thing you eat for dinner. The corrected sentence is, I eat only vegetables for dinner. That's it for today's lesson on modifier errors. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try identifying and correcting modifier errors in your own writing and reading. And remember, the key is to make sure that your modifiers clearly and accurately describe what you intend them to. Happy studying, and see you in our next video.